everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Christmas is coming, so I'm trying to make some cookie for my coworkers as gifts. So today I'm gonna make royal icing cookie. Okay, let's start with the ingredients. Today we're gonna need 11 tablespoons of the unsalted butter, 8 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of the flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the unsalted butter, I have to mention that we need room temperature butter, not the melt like liquid butter. And then we're gonna add the powdered sugar in it. First, you use your mixer to mix them a little bit. Don't turn it on yet, otherwise your kitchen will be a mess. You need to give it a little bit time to mix it, and the butter and the powdered sugar will look like this. The edge will look a little bit like the feather. That's the time you want. And next, let's beat the egg. When you add the egg, you need to do it little by little until it's completely mixed. And then let's add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. After that, we're gonna use the flour sifter to sift the flour. And then let's mix it together. Now I'm gonna take it out and then let's roll it into a ball. After half an hour in freezer or 1 or 2 hours in your fridge, the dough should feel like a little bit hard, but it's not completely frozen. So you can use the parchment paper and then just put the dough here, and then take another parchment paper and put it over it, and you roll it here so you don't get your stuff oily. Unfortunately, I don't have a rolling pan, so today I'm gonna use ice wine. You don't want it to be very thick because it's gonna take a little bit longer for you to bake it, but not very thin because it will be so easy that you burn it. And now will be the perfect time for you to preheat your oven to 340 degrees. So I choose the cookie cutter, the glove, a deer, Christmas tree, snowflake. And this is a hat. Okay, then now let's put it on the baking sheet. The oven is preheated. Let's put it inside and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Let's take it out. It's very hot. Don't ask me how I know it. So next we're gonna put it on the cooling rack. Let it cool down a little bit.